expansive frontage and rare double garage. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute privilege today to show you through this amazingly designed and well executed duplex here in North Ryde. Let's go take a look. Set in a rare and convenient position, only walking distance to Macquarie Park Station, this property is going to be extremely popular. If you have any further questions, make sure you give us a call and we're more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.